Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer files into Supabase Storage from Bubble, full guide step by step clearly. To transfer files into Supabase Storage from Bubble, start by logging into your Bubble account. Navigate to the app where you want to enable file transfers. Open the Plugins tab in your Bubble app editor. Search for and install the API Connector plugin if you haven't already. Once installed, click on Add another API. Name this API Supabase for clarity. Next, you need to gather your Supabase project credentials. Log into your Supabase account and open the project you're working on. In the project dashboard, go to the Settings tab. Click on API to find your API URL and the anon key. Now, return to your Bubble editor and add the API URL to the API connector settings. For authentication, select Bearer Token and input your anon key. To configure the file transfer, set up an API call within the Supabase API configuration. Choose the post method for the API call. In the URL field, input your Supabase storage endpoint, which usually looks like this: https://yourprojectid.supabase.co/storage/v1/object/bucket name. Set the request body type to JSON. Define the parameters you need to include in the body, such as the file name and file content. To upload files, ensure your Bubble app has a file uploader element on the page. Configure this uploader to trigger the API call when a file is selected. Create a workflow that fires upon the file uploader's file upload event. Add an action to call the Supabase API you just configured. Map the necessary file data from the uploader to the API request. Test the configuration by uploading a file through your Bubble app. Monitor the Supabase dashboard to ensure the file appears in the specified storage bucket. If everything is set up correctly, you should see the file transfer successfully complete. This process will allow you to seamlessly integrate Supabase Storage with your Bubble application for file handling. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.